Hi, my name is Nikhil Singh Sodi and I'm a fundraising and collaborations volunteer at Ed Justice People's Campaign. I'm currently in my third year of college and I'm pursuing Bachelor's of Commerce from Dayal Singh Evening College, Delhi University. Delhi University offers two main courses under Commerce, that is Bachelor's of Commerce Honours and Bachelor's of Commerce Program. Apart from these two courses, students who studied commerce in classes 11th and 12th can also opt for courses such as BBA FIA, Bachelor's of Business Administration in Finance and Investment Analysis, BMS, Bachelor's of Management Studies, and BBE, Bachelor's of Business Economics. These three courses can be studied by first appearing for the DUJAT examination, that is the Delhi University Joint Admission Test. Apart from these three courses offered under DUJAT, you can also opt for BA Economics, that is Bachelor's of Arts in Economics. The first major difference between Bachelor's of Commerce Honours and Bachelor's of Commerce Program is the difference in their cutoffs. BCom Honours generally has a higher cutoff as compared to the other course. Also, while applying for Bachelor's of Commerce Honours, you are required to have maths as a subject in your classes 11th and 12th. Apart from this, the difference between BCom Honours and BCom Program is the subjects offered during each semester may differ in both courses. Also, the syllabus in BCom Honours is more wide as compared to BCom Program. The course structure in Delhi University is divided into 6 semesters over 3 years, that is 2 semesters per year. Under Bachelor's of Commerce Honours, you are required to study 26 subjects, that is 8 subjects in your first year, 10 subjects in your second year, and 8 subjects in your final year. Meanwhile, in Bachelor's of Commerce program, you are required to study 24 subjects, that is 8 subjects each year. Over the period of your course, you will come across 4 types of subjects. Firstly, DSC, that is Discipline Specific Elective Course. These are subjects which are directly related to your course. For example, for BCom Honours, Accountancy will be a DSC. Secondly, GE, that is Generic Elective Course. These are subjects which are not directly related to your course. For example, under BCom Honours, Pol Science might be a generic elective subject. However, a subject like accountancy will not be a generic elective subject for BCom Honours or BCom program. Third, AECC, that is Ability Enhancement Compulsory Course. These are some courses which are compulsory by the Delhi University, such as EVS, Environmental Studies, or English, and even Hindi under BCom program. Fourthly, we have SEC, that is Skill Enhancement Courses. These are subjects which are value-based or skill-based, especially aimed at providing students with hands-on training. While seeking admission into Delhi University, you are required to calculate your best of 4 marks. You can calculate your best of 4 marks by taking out the average of the marks scored in 4 subjects where you've scored the highest. While calculating your best of 4 marks for Delhi University, if you've added a subject which is not a main or elective course under commerce, then you may have to face a deduction at certain Delhi University colleges. This deduction varies from 1 to 2.5% of your best of 4 marks. Subjects such as accountancy, business studies, and mathematics can be added into your best of 4 without facing any further deduction. While subjects such as painting, fine arts, or computer science, which are not your main subjects under commerce, will incur a deduction at various colleges. This deduction varies from college to college. Most importantly, while calculating your best of 4, you are required to include English to seek admission into Bachelor's of Commerce Honours or Bachelor's of Commerce program. Apart from this, while you're seeking admission into BCom Honours, you are required to have studied maths in classes 11th and 12th. Also, if you failed this subject in your class 12th board examinations, you cannot apply for Bachelor's of Commerce Honours. After having completed your studies from Delhi University under BCom Honors or BCom program, you have a wide range of prospects. You can go into the field of finance, accountancy, marketing, or various other commerce related fields. If you're looking to study even after your bachelor's degree, you can opt for master's courses such as MBA, Masters of Business Administration, MIM, Masters in Management, MCom, Masters of Commerce, CFA, Chartered Financial Accountancy, CA, Chartered Accountancy. Apart from this, you may also look for a job in portfolios such as audit management, accountancy, finance, marketing, or even sales. Few of the best things about having studied commerce in Delhi University is that Delhi University has a very high ranking all across India and is well regarded in India and even abroad. Apart from this, if you studied commerce or even any other course under Delhi University, you have an ample amount of time to learn various other skills along with your course. As the curriculum is not very heavy under Delhi University, you have the time to enhance skills and participate in various co-curricular activities. This helps enhance your own character as well as build a strong base for you